Welcome in the video lecture series of Digital Logic Design. Friends, today we are going to discuss number system conversion for fractional parts. In our previous lectures, we have discussed interconversions of the whole numbers or integer part of a number. But if we just want to convert the fractional part, then what we will do? Now, look here. From decimal to binary conversion, decimal to binary fractional part. Now, let any number, decimal number 0.125, this is in decimal, how to convert in binary? The process is very simple. As in integer part or the whole number part, we were continually dividing and finding the remainders, and now here the process is we will continuously multiply the fractional parts into by 2 and pick the integer portion, again multiply, and we will keep on doing this until the fractional parts leads to 0. So now let us see 0.125 be multiplied by 2. What it will be equal to 0.250. 0.250. Look here, this is the integer part, and we will here write it. Integer 0. Again, fractional part is what? 0.25 multiplied by 0.25 by 2. What is the result? 0.50. What is the integer part? This is 0. Again multiplied by 0.5, 0 into 2, and result is 1.00. What is the integer part? This is 1. Is it 1? And now the fractional parts become 0. So another change from whole number to a fractional part. In whole number, we always read from bottom to top, but here we always read from top to bottom. We always read from top to bottom. So we can write here 0.125 in decimal number system is equal to 0.001 in binary number system. Very simple method. Now let us take another example. Let we just want to convert a number 45, 0.45 of decimal number into the equivalent binary. First of all, do the same process. 0.45 multiplied by 2 is equal to what? 0.90. Integer portion is 0. Again multiplied 0.90 with 2. This is what? 1.8. Then integer part is what? 1. Again fractional part is 0.8 multiplied by 0.8 by 2. What is this? This is 1.6. What is the integer part? It is 1. Again multiplied 0.6 by 2. What is the answer? 1.2. What is the integer part? This is 1. Now again 2.2 multiplied by 2. What is this? It is 0.4. Integer part is what? 0. Again 0.4 multiplied by 2. What is this? Is equal to 0.8. 0. Again multiply 0.8 multiplied by 2 is equal to what? 1.6. Integer part 1, and so on. Now look here, the difference between this and this. This is actually this is irrational number. This will keep on going. For example, if you divide 5 by 3, generally, if you divide 5 by 3, what you find result? 3 1 ja 3, then 2 20, 3 6 ja 18, 3 6 ja 18, 3 6 ja 18, and dot dot dot. What you will do? You will just take a round off of approximate number. That means if you want from 3 digit, then after decimal, then it will be what? 1.667. Nothing else. And similarly, here in this case, look here, pattern is repeating from here. 0.8 into 1.6, and again 0.8 into 2 into 1.6. That means it is a repeating pattern. That means there the fractional part will never be 0, like in this case. So here we will take some for example, here we are taking up to here. If we just want to take only first 4 bit, we can take from up to here. Then 0.45 in decimal number system is equal to 0.0111 in binary number system. Binary number system. And that's why in the binary number system, actually in the decimal number are the you can say continuous number system. Here the approximation level, here we are taking approximation. When we go on the right side after decimal, these bit position value become very small, and that's why we cannot approximate. We can ignore them. We can ignore them after some bits. So this is the two case of fractional part. And now, how to convert from fractional to decimal? Process is very simple. Fractional to decimal. Now, look here. For example, if you just want to convert 101 in binary number is equal to equivalent decimal number, then how you will convert? Simply in integer parts. For example, if the binary number is 1101, what you will do? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. you multiply corresponding weight by the bits in whole numbers. But here you will start 101, 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 3. You can write it. Or you can just say 2 to the power minus 1 means what? This is equal to 1 upon 2. This is equal to 0.5. Okay. What is the 2 to the power minus 4? This is equal to 1 upon minus 2. This is what? 1 upon 2 to the power 2 means 1 upon 4. What is this 1 upon 4? 0.25. And what is this? 2 to the power minus 3. This is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 3 means 8 and equal to 0.125. So here, if you just want to convert 0.101 into the equivalent binary, so 0 will be cancelled because 0 multiplied by 0 cancelled. Then 1 multiplied by 0.5 plus 1 multiplied by 0.125, and this is equal to 0.5 plus 0.125. This is equal to 0.625, and we can say 0.101 in binary number system is equal to 0.625 in decimal number system. So process is very easy. Similarly, here in whole numbers we start from 2 to the power 0 to, and here in the fractional part we start from 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 3, and so on. We keep on doing this. And now similarly